Okay, so today we will see in structure passing structure to a function. I will create one structure, struct1, integer I, character ch, float f, then void print integer character and float. Then void print1, I will pass structure 1, and void print2, I will pass address and collect with the pointer, structure1 pointer. So in the main, I will take structure1, O1 is equal to 10a and 22.5, and then my second variable is O2. The first one is the print. I am calling the print function and passing the O1 dot I. Sorry, here I have taken 0. Then O1 dot ch, then O1 dot f. Printf line separator, then print1 O1 printf line separator, then print2 address of O2. Here I will make one print function, then integer I, character ch, float f, printf, %d, %c, %f, I, ch, and f. Then struct 1 O2. Here in the printf O2 dot I, O2 dot ch, O2 dot f. Then I will make print2 function, O1 star p. Here p arrow I, p arrow ch, and p arrow f. So here what I did, I have taken the three function. One is the print function, print1 and print2. Print function I am passing the variable, and print2 function I am passing the address. So here print function o1.i, o1.ch, o1.f I am passing, and here I am collecting in the integer I, character ch, and float f, then printing I, ch, and f value. Next o1, so this is my call by value. So I am passing the O1 variable and here collecting in the O2, that value I am printing here. Here I am passing the address, that means call by, and here it's passing O1 not O2. Reference. Here not use, I use the O2, so I will remove this. Run this code. Here error, conflicting type of print1. Here I did the mistake. Okay. So what is call by value and call by reference? Call by value, here if you can modify the value, that value will not reflected in main function. But here suppose you will modify the value p arrow I is equal to 10 or anything, 10 to 20 or anything, it will reflected in the main function also. So write down this code. Next, so understood this, how it's work and how call by value work, how call by reference work and all things. So you have to try to modify value here, and you have to print here also what your value I, ch, and f. That is your homework. And here also you have to try to modify first, and here check it is modified or not after print one function.
Okay.
Yeah, call by value and call by reference we have already seen in the function. Next is the returning the structure from the function. I will copy structure from here. My return type is the structure1, function name is ret, and passing variable is void. Struct1 O1 is equal to, I will take here 10a 22.5. Here I will take O2. O2 is equal to return function call printf %d %c %f O2.i, O2.ch, O2.f. Here structure1 ret function. Set that structure1 a is equal to 20p and 33.5. Return a. Now I will run this code. So my value is 20 b and 33.b. Here I am returning the value of a, not address of a. Here I am not passing any reference, I am directly passing the value. Why we are not able to passing here address of a? Because a is auto variable, and at that lives will end when the function will terminate. So because of that reason we are passing the value of a, and it is storing directly in the auto variable, then after its life gets terminated. Okay, write down this code. Okay, understood this, how it's working and all. Then 124.c. Next title is design a function to allocate dynamic memory for a student database structure, and it should return that dynamic allocate memory address. I'll write the code. I need here as include standard library.h, then struct st, integer roll number, character name, float marks, struct st star abc, void. In the main function I will take struct st star p. P is equal to abc. Once we will call the abc function, so abc function will allocate the memory, so and then it will return the starting address, and then after, so I will write down the abc stru struct st star abc, void return malloc of size of st struct st, that much byte of memory allocated in the starting address. Now what we will do, printf, enter the roll number, scanf percentage d. Here I am passing the address of p arrow roll number. Then printf, enter the name, scanf percentage s, p arrow name. Then printf, enter the marks, then scanf percentage f, then address of p arrow marks. Then printf percentage d, percentage s, percentage f, p arrow roll number, p arrow name, p arrow marks. So I will run this code. Roll number 10, name abc, marks 22.5. Okay, write down this code. Okay, next I will write down the year only. Title, design a function which should allocate dynamic memory for student database structure, and it should return address of dynamic allocated memory, but return type should be void. So similar function, similar question, design a function to allocate dynamic memory for student database structure, and it should return that dynamic memory allocated and it should return the address of dynamic allocated memory, but here return type should be void. Here I don't want return type is the structure st star abc, but return type should be void. Return type should be void, that means we have to pass some arguments here. So I will modify this void abc, and I am passing the argument here, struct st double star. Here I am passing, I am calling the abc function, and I will pass here address of p. Here address of p will, my return type is void. Here I can write is struct st double star q. Star q is equal to malloc of size of structure st. Here my p at 1000 address store nothing. I am passing here address of p. Here my q at 2000 location. It is storing the address of p 1000. And then after this 2000 location, star q is equal to malloc of size of st. So it will create here location that will be also 2000. So when I want this, so I cannot write here q is equal to malloc of. Why? Because here I am passing the address. That address, if I will not pass address, then I can store in the my pointer is not working. Here in the normal last program we have seen star p, we can write p is equal to address. But here I am passing that address, so we have to collect with double pointer because that is itself as a pointer. So pointer address whenever we are passing, we have to collect with the double pointer, and whenever we have to allocate memory, we have to use using the pointer, we have to allocate the memory. So here whatever the memory will allocate, that directly dereference to here, because that is stored, q is stored the 1000 address, and that 1000 address will allocate this address of q indirectly. Star q is equal to star q, that means whatever the data allocated, that address, that sorry, this is the 3000 address memory will allocate it, this is the malloc, and that q is stored the 1000, that star q, whatever the memory will allocate, that starting address will store to star q, and star q have stored the 1000 address, so here it stored the 3000. I will run this code. Okay, so write down this code. Okay,